Hey guys, Alessandro here, and today I thought I'd make um, software development tutorial. Okay, this is mainly gonna be focused on C++. I might focus on other languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, or assembly, or any of those other language software development languages. Um, I want to focus on this because one thing I noticed, there's a lot of people interested in software development. So what I'm gonna start out with is basically I'm gonna write in C++, one of the most basic um not languages, one of the most basic programs they tell you to write when you start in software development, and it's a Hello World application. Now, if you don't know what um, is a general purpose language. It's an object oriented, developed in 1983, and basically it has a it's very um, it has a lot of different applications and a variety of things. Maybe not as much as Java or any of these other languages, but is still very useful and is still very used today. And as a matter of fact, they have taken out a lot of updates to the language itself. It's still there's still ongoing changes um, in C++ and well, anyway, let's get started. So first of all, what you need is Microsoft Visual Studio. I don't know if you can see it up here. Okay, this is 2012 version. I haven't updated to any of the newer versions, but if you get a chance to go ahead and all, you can get the free version and all. But if you really want to go into in-depth software development, I recommend you buying the full version or going to the online version. They have an online version, and they have a whole set of tools for to work with a team online and everything in case you're interested in working on a project like developing operating systems or anything like that. They have a bunch of tools for software development. But anyway, this is the 2012. This version that I have is the full version. It's not a free version. It's the full version. But anyway, um, so what you do first is, first of all, you go to File. Once you have your Microsoft Visual Studio open, you go to New and you go to Projects. Okay, once you go to Projects, what you do is you look at your different options. As you can see here, you have SAML, which is something used in Windows mobile applications or Windows Phone applications. Of course, you can write in C Sharp, which is essentially very similar, but it approaches more Java language. But anyway, what you do is go to Windows 32 console application, and then you go down here and you name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine H World. Okay, so you click OK. Okay, now once you do that, you're gonna get this box. Hello to the Windows 32 application wizard. There are there are the current project settings console application. Click Finish. From any of the windows, you set the current settings. After after you create, see the project uh, readme.txt for information about project features, files, and generate. Okay, so basically what you do is that if you're finished with it, you go ahead But if you're working on like a blank application, you click on next, you click on empty project, and make sure it's on console application. Security development lifecycle checks. Don't worry about that right now. Just leave it how it is. And you click on finish. Once you click on finish, you should oh, wait for it to load up. Okay, if in case you can see it down here. If you can see down here, it says H World B creating project H World BCX PROJ. Okay, so give it a second or two to load up and everything. Usually it shouldn't take that long. And what you see on your right side, you see all these folders. You see your project H World, and you see all external dependencies, headers. We're going to go into headers a little later on, resources and source files. And to get started, you go here and you go to add, and you add new item. And what you're going to do is you're going to look for the CPP file, .cpp file, C++ file. And what you do is then you always start with a main class. So you're going to name it main. Okay. Then you click on add. Okay, and once you have this, you should be all set and ready to go. So what you do is you type in include IOStream. Okay, it should have that. That's one of your primary that's one of your most essential libraries, IOStream. Okay, next what you do is type in using name space td. Make sure you have the semicolon, and then what you do is that you start with your int main. Okay, and make sure you have parentheses. You're not gonna put any attributes on it, so leave it like that. Then you add a couple of brackets, and you can leave it wherever you like, but usually I like my brackets underneath it. Okay, and then what you're gonna write is this. Okay, this the spaces don't matter in reality. They're very white space sensitive. They're not like other development software languages. So so what you do here is type in cout. Okay, and what you type in here is less than. Okay, you have to make sure it's your less than sign. Next, what you do is since you're gonna type something to type out on the screen and everything, you're gonna have to type in colon 2 times. And since this is a hello world application, you type in hello world. Okay. Next, next what you do is you type in less than and L, and then finally colon, and that's the end of the line. Now, afterwards, what you do is this is of course optional, but it's going to allow you to see where your progress on your software, to kind of like pause the program so you can pretty much analyze it and everything. You type in system parentheses colon, okay, and then type in pause, and then semicolon, um, not colon, I meant quotation marks, but anyway, um, after the last step you have to do is you have to type return 0. Okay, and what you do here is um, go to build, and down here it should give you the details of your program. Okay, so now you see right here main.cpp. Okay, hworld bcx pro j, and then it gives you all the details of the file. And if you see here, it says build 1 succeeded, so that means your program was built with no problems or anything. If in case you develop you write your code and you end up with a couple of errors, it's gonna give you on failed. Or in case you rebuild, um, it's gonna give you up to date. Or this zeros for skip is something else that we're probably gonna go to later on and everything. And finally, you click on local window debugger, and you wait for your command prompt to pop out. Just give it a sec. And if you can see here, it says hello world. Next it says it prompts you press any key to continue, press enter or whatever key you like, and it should close. And that's how you write a hello world C++ program. I hope you liked this tutorial video. I might have some more in regard to a little more complicated topics in regard to C++. But anyway, that'll be all for now, and thank you for your time, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.